That takes the crown.
It might be heavy.
I don't think it'd be good.
How do you make a pumpkin that big?
Believe it or not, that pumpkin comes from a little seed that big. This right here grows that.
I see another seed.
That one there ain't no good. It's not developed. It's real squishy.
No, dude, look at that watermelon over there. I want to see the watermelon.
Hold your hand out there. Feel that. Heavy.
Can I touch it?
Heavy that thing is.
Feel my hold
Yep.
this. It feels good. It's wet.
Yep, they're mostly water.
Touch it. It's wet.
Yep.
Oh, what's that?
They're gushy.
Can you go down and open the watermelon?
No, we can't. That one ain't mine. I can't cut it open.
How many pounds is this? How did you get it?
How big was this one?